Now say you're trying to find an angle. First identify A, B, C. Now find the angle opposite C. Just look at cosine formula. A squared plus B squared, yeah. Minus C squared over 2AB. Yeah, that's equal to cosine C. That's one formula you're gonna need. This triangle got 3 sides, but not one angle, with side A 5, B 7, and side C is 10. Angle C is what we find. Just use the formula. Cosine C equals 5 squared plus 7 squared, 10 squared, 2AB, or 5, 7. Calculator, my teacher told me you gotta use parentheses around everything to be right. And input this into your calculator. Okay, hit enter negative 0.37042857114, but you gotta do more. Divide by cosine. If you don't have this angle, then you inverse the cosine. You know why? It don't work to divide, so you reverse. So input turn arc into inverse, then you get 111.03748. Now say you're trying to find a side length. First identify A, B, C. Now find the angle opposite C. There's another cosine formula. A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine C. Yeah, that's equal to C squared. The other formula you're gonna need. 18A, 19B, but you got one of the angles equals 120. Start with 18 squared, then plus 19 squared, minus 2, 18, 19, and cosine 120 equals side C squared. In the calculator, 1027, but you gotta square root it, but you can't because there ain't no perfect squares, honey. So it's just root 1027, honey. Once you're done, go with law of sines, honey. That's all you gotta do when you use cosines, yeah, buddy. Just use it and you'll get the answer to your problem. If you ain't no beauty school dropout, holler, we like math class, yeah! Now say you're trying to find an angle. First identify A, B, C. Now find the angle opposite C. Just look at cosine formula. A squared plus B squared, yeah. Minus C squared over 2AB. Yeah, that's equal to cosine C. That's one formula you're gonna need.